So hi, my name's Harriet. I'm the Artist Development Manager at Midsumma, and I'm here with incredible independent artist, performer, amazing all-round human, Leisa Prowd.
Hi.
And Lisa's going to talk to us a little bit about her experience in Midsumma Pathways.
Yeah.
So Lisa, can you talk to us about what the Pathways program was like for you?
Pathways was really amazing for me, even though we had to do it over Zoom because COVID, and I was amazed at how accessible it was, even over Zoom. Like, it was well thought out, it was well presented, and I really felt supported within it. So that was great, and it talked through how to navigate making a show or producing a show, how to go about that in a way that I really got and became really excited by. So yeah, it was fantastic. Got a lot of information out of it.
Great.
Yeah.
And can you tell us a little bit about what's happened in your career since finishing the Midsumma program?
Okay.
Midsumma Pathways program.
Since finishing the Midsumma Pathways program, I'm here creating my own show, my first solo show in
We're
Australia.
at Arts House in North Melbourne.
Yes, Arts House, North Melbourne. So it gave me some tools to feel confident about actually making my own work. And I really felt that I wouldn't be alone in it. Like, before I used to think, oh, I've got to be responsible for this and that and organising this and that, and it just really became overwhelming. So I think through Pathways I was able to go, no, you don't have to do it all yourself. And I kind of knew who I could go to ask to collaborate and support and fill in those gaps that I still didn't quite know how to do. So yeah, so I'm creating my own show. I'm also an ensemble member into theatre dance companies overseas in Germany. So yeah, things are just going off for me at the moment, and yeah, it's really exciting.
So cool.
Yeah.
And so look, my last question is just, why do you think a program like Pathways is important?
I think it's important because it gives you the tools to start something. Like, you may have some ideas, but you don't know how to go about it. So, there's lots of things in Pathways where we all get together and support each other, and we can all learn from each other's knowledge and experiences. Like, I might not have done something before, but somebody else in the program has, and so we can get together and learn from each other's collective knowledge. And like the speakers and the presenters in the Pathways program that I went through were just amazing. I learned so much. So yeah, I would highly recommend it. I really would. We really need a project, a program like Pathways to get more art out there and seen.
Yeah, totally agree.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for taking time out of your rehearsal today to talk to me.
Worries.
Really
It was
appreciate
so
it.
fun.
I'll let you get back to it.
No problem.
Thanks so much.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.